Hey guys, this is Chris with PSI Power. We're here today installing a 61700 Ag Diesel Solutions module on a 2020 Duramax. So when you get your module, inside the box you'll get the module itself, you'll get your harness, your switch, and then there's the install instructions, a stop sheet to tell you how to put the truck into sleep mode, and some zip ties. So as far as putting your truck into sleep mode, I usually recommend turning the keys off, shutting everything off, popping the hood, and waiting about 10 minutes. So now we're gonna get the harness. We're gonna install that first. We're gonna locate our fuel pressure connector, which is gonna be this 8-pin connector right here on top of the manifold. And our map sensor is this 4-pin connector right there that's attached to the manifold. So first thing we're gonna do is unplug each of these connectors. You have to slide the locks back and squeeze and pull back, and on this one you got to pull that red tab back. Once you unplug that fuel pressure connector and the map sensor, then we'll take our harness and we'll plug those in line. So we'll take our female connector and plug back into the male connector here, take the factory one and plug it in here, and we'll take the map sensor and we'll plug that in directly to the sensor, and the other side back into that, to the other side of the factory harness. All right, so once we get all the connectors plugged in here, we'll route the harness across over to the driver's side, and then we can zip tie up a couple of the loose wires over here, and then we'll find a place to mount the module on this side. This comes with the harness with the bypass plug installed. We'll need to unplug that. So once we unplug that bypass plug, we can take the module and plug it in there. And you can zip tie it up onto these right here on these cables. And then the last thing, you guys can run your switch. You can plug it directly into the 4-pin white connector coming off the harness. You can run this inside the cab if you like, or you can just zip tie it out under the hood. All the way to the left will be stock, and then you have a 30 horsepower, a 60 horsepower, and the high 90 horsepower. Usually you see your best fuel mileage in the high setting, guys, and then once you get done with this and get it zip tied up, you're ready to go. Once you guys get everything zip tied up, you're done. And if you guys have any questions or want more information, you can go to our website at www.agdieselsolutions.com, or you can give us a call at 812-618-9166. Thanks, guys.